Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session to discuss about final keyword using Java language. So what is the purpose of the final keyword? Where concept used this keyword I have discussed. Before discuss this concept, I can give the request all of you, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is NVRAW IT. Every day I can post videos related basics computer, C language, Java related videos can be posted every day. Please subscribe. Okay, to discuss final keyword in this session. Okay, what is the purpose of the final keyword? Where can be used? See, final keyword. Before discuss the final, what is meant by keyword? Keyword is nothing but a word. See, keyword is nothing but word. That word are reserved by Java developer team. The team name is James Gosling with team. Member can be reserved. We can write the any keyword must be used lowercase. We cannot use the any one uppercase letter in the word. So what is the purpose of the final keyword? What is the purpose of the final keyword? The purpose of the final keyword cannot create subclass of the class. See, cannot create any subclass of the class, the final class. We can declare the final keyword before class name, then that class is called final class. We can write the final keyword in the class. The keyword can provide prevention of the class code. That class cannot create the subclass. This keyword mainly used inheritance concept. Inheritance concept, this keyword can be used. See, given a simple example. Before example, I can provide the simple flowchart. I can write the one class is the A, another class is B, another class is C, for example. So I can write the final keyword before class name. Before class name. In this class, we cannot create any subclass of the C class because the final keyword can provide the prevention of the C class. See, how to write the program? This, right? Example for final keyword. Write the one class is, for example, my class name is A. You can open the parenthesis, write one method. My method name is, for example, void display. The print the statement is directly system dot. The system is, we know, is a predefined class in Java level. So we can write the first letter is the capital letter. System dot out dot println class A. We can close the display method. After we can close the class method. After write the another class, right, we can write the class B. Using the keyword inheritance concept, the keyword is extends. The purpose of the extend keywords to inherit the superclass properties all into the subclass. The superclass name is A. Write the method like void display 1 or display 2. Display 2. Write the statement, printf statement system dot out dot print ln the class B C. We can close the display2 method, we can close the class B method. Similarly, we can write the class C, like class C extends B. We can write the statement void display3. We can open the parenthesis, write the statement system dot out dot print ln the class name is C, class C, like that. We can close the parenthesis the method, we can close the parenthesis the class. We can write the final keyword before class C cannot create the subclass of the C class. For example, we can create the final keyword before class name cannot create the subclass of the C. So first I have declared the final keyword before class B, C, right. At the main class, the main class example, final example keyword, final keyword, like the name of the class FIX, final keyword, like that. At the command line arguments, we know that command line arguments, one is the public, another one is the static, another one is the void keyword, another one is the method, main method. The method is the parameterized method, parameter is the string, args is the variable. See, this is the one keyword public access specifier is the one keyword, static is the keyword. That keyword is purpose to display the any class result without object, the purpose. Void not return to any value, we know that. Main is the method, what type of method? Parameterized method. C. We can create the object, for example C, because A superclass inherent in the B is a superclass inherent in the C. So that's the reason I can declare the keyword C class object can be created. C space OB is equal to new C constructor. C OB dot add, for example, we can observe the program. The error is there because the final keyword can be declared the class B. That's the reason C class cannot identify the final keyword, because B class can provide the prevention of the final keyword. B class cannot create the any subclass, but we can create the subclass of the B. So some error is there. This is the purpose of the final keyword. While final keyword can be declared into the before class C, final keyword can be declared before class C, the answer is display, because C class cannot contain any subclass. So the answer can be display. Or final keyword whenever declare the class B, error is there, because final keyword can provide the prevention of the class, so cannot create the subclass of the final class. In this reason the error is there whenever declare the final keyword before class B. Okay, we can declare the class C before final keyword giving the answer. This is the related for final keyword. Thank you watching my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.